ఒకటవ తరగతి నెంబర్స్ లెసన్ ప్లాన్, ఆగస్ట్ సిలబస్ లెసన్ ప్లాన్, సులభమైన ప్లాన్ రచన. ఈ వీడియో పూర్తిగా చూడండి. యు ఆర్ వాచింగ్ తిరు టీచింగ్ వ్లాగ్స్. వెల్కమ్ టు మై ఛానల్. ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ అండ్ షేర్ మై ఛానల్. క్లాస్, ఫస్ట్ క్లాస్, సబ్జెక్ట్ మ్యాథ్స్. నేమ్ ఆఫ్ ద స్కూల్ ఎంపీపీ స్కూల్ గుణానపేట. నేమ్ ఆఫ్ ద టీచర్ సిహెచ్ తిరుపతి. కాలమ్స్, యూనిట్, టాపిక్స్, పీరియడ్స్, టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ ప్లస్ వర్క్ బుక్, టైమ్ ఫ్రమ్ టు అదర్స్. యూనిట్ నెంబర్స్ 0 to 9. Topics: picture reading and rhyme 3+3 August 1 to August 3. Introduce 1 and 2 numbers 4+4 August 4 to August 9. Introduce 3, 4, 5 numbers 4+4 August 10 to August 16. Recapitalize 1 to 5 numbers 2+2 August 17 to August 18. Introduce 6 to 9 numbers 5+5 August 20 to 25. Recapitalize 6 to 9 numbers 2+2 August 26 to 27. Numbers strip 3+3 August 29 to September 1. Before, between, after numbers 3+3 September 2 to September 6. Next one, learning outcomes. People will be able to do: count things in groups, compare the objects, count objects up to 9, separate similar things from the group, count them and write the symbols up to 9, identify the equal numbers, before, between and after numbers, identify the bigger and smaller numbers. These are the learning outcomes. Introduction. Good morning children, how are you? I play a video for interaction 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0 from the YouTube digital teaching 1 2 3. After that, I ask them to sing the song which I played. I play a number game with them. I interact with them by different activities in different days. Next one is teaching learning process. Greetings. After greetings, I interact with whole class. Then I show first picture in chapter 1. I ask more questions to them for talking with children. 1. What do you observe in the picture? Do you see the teddy bear? How many boys are there? How many birds are there? Where are the monkeys? These are the interactive questions for children. I sing the rhyme with physical movements. I encourage them to sing and dance with me. I sing that song rhyme more times. Sun in the sky 1 1 1. Hands to man 2 2 2. I sing that song or rhyme more and more times. After that, I guide them to match the matching in page number 2. I introduce number 1 ONE1 with textbook picture. I show the picture to students and ask them count each thing in the textbook picture. Tell the number of each type. This is the picture. How many boats? How many suns? How many houses? Like this. I ask them to write answers in the blanks. I explain them to how to write number 1 ONE1 in the rules 4 rule ONE1. I give instructions to write 1 in 4 rule also. In the same process, I introduce numbers from 1 to 9, showing a picture chart and interact with children. After that, I ask them to some questions and respond to my questions. Then I introduce number and doing the exercises like matching the numbers with dots, matching numbers with word forms, etc. Like this is 5 3 1 2 4. Match the dots and match the word form also 5 3 4 1 2. And the adding 3 2 5. I ask them to count the objects and write the number 3 fishes 3, 1 frog 1, 2 pots 2, 6 mangoes 6, 7 pencils 7, 4 books. Write the 4 number in the box. I explain them to zero concept with the help of textbook story images. 1 pencil is equal to 1, nothing is equal to 0. I ask them to do activities individually on workbooks. I explain them to number strip for more understanding about 1 to 9 numbers. And I explain them to before, after, between numbers. I give more tasks for before, between, after numbers. This is the teaching learning process. And next one is activities, teacher activities, student group activities, student individual activities. I saw picture charts for more interacting and create joyful environment. I introduced them to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 numbers. I explained those numbers with different type of things and flashcards. I explained them to before, between, after numbers with a beautiful chart. I explain how to write numbers easily. This is the teacher activities, student group activities. I divide children into 2 or 3 small groups. I ask them to sing the rhyme in groups. I ask them to answer my questions in groups. I ask them to collect things in groups. 3 pencils or 3 any things. I ask them to say the answers for textbook questions in groups. How many balloons? They say the answers. Student individual activities. I ask every children to answer some questions individually. I ask them to write numbers and their word forms on the textbook or notebook individually. I ask them to match numbers with different type of things by individual. That is 3, 2, 1, 1, 3, 2 cups. The next one, TLM, rhyme chart, picture charts, number flashcards, different things, balloons, cups, balls, like matching charts, understanding questions, factual, how many pencils, what is the before number of 3, open ended, draw one thing as you were like, how many idlis can you eat, practice questions, 4, 3, 2, 1, they match the dots and word forms. The next one is evaluation. While learning, we evaluate the children and write it on the columns. Signature of the teacher, signature of the HM, visiting officer with remarks. This is the TLM for first class. Watch description for more lesson plans and more videos. Please subscribe my channel and share my videos through teaching vlogs. Thank you, one and all.